Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see total utility, marginal utility and average utility. So what is total utility? Total utility refers to the entire amount of satisfaction obtained from consuming a given quantity of a commodity. According to Lipsey, total utility refers to the total satisfaction from the amount of the commodity consumed. We can say that it is the aggregate utility that a person derives from consuming a particular product. For example, if we eat 3 chapatis at dinner time, total utility is the total amount of satisfaction obtained from consuming 3 chapatis. Okay, so we can say it is the utility from all units of consumption. Total utility that a consumer derived from consumption of a particular product increases with a diminishing rate. And to analyze the concept of utility, economists use an imaginary measure called utils. Here we can see an example, that is utility schedule for mangoes, that is units of mangoes and total utility. That is, suppose a person buy and consume 2 mangoes, he expects to get a utility of 17 utils. Suppose this person now consume 3 mangoes, he gets a total utility of 21 utils. So here we can see that the total utility is increasing at a diminishing rate. When he consumed 3 units of mangoes, his utility is 21. And after when he consumes 6 units of mangoes, his utility is 19. So we can say that it becomes negative. So that is disutility. So the very important point is that when a person consumes more units, the total utility increases at a diminishing rate and it becomes negative also. What is marginal utility? Marginal utility is the additional utility arising from the consumption of one more unit of a commodity. So according to Professor Boulding, the marginal utility is the utility which results from a unit increase in consumption. That is, when we are using an additional utility and whatever utility that we gain from using additional product, that is marginal utility. So there are 3 types of marginal utility, that is positive marginal utility, negative marginal utility and zero marginal utility. So what is positive marginal utility? If the consumption of an additional unit of a commodity increases the total utility, then the marginal utility will be positive. If the consumption of an additional unit decreases the total utility, then the marginal utility will be negative. If the consumption of an additional unit causes no change in the total utility, then the marginal utility will be 0. And these 3 points are very, very important. So in positive marginal utility, what will happen? If the consumption of an additional unit increases the total utility, then we can say that is positive. And it decreases the total utility, we can say it is a negative. And if it causes no change in the total utility, then we can say it is a 0 marginal utility. Here we can see an example, that is utility schedule for mangoes. Here we can say that when a person consumes 2 units of mangoes, his total utility is 17 and his marginal utility is 7. Here we can say that when he consumes more and more units of mangoes, his marginal utility is decreasing and become negative. So up to the 4th unit of consumption, the marginal utility is positive. And in the 5th unit of consumption, the marginal utility is 0. And when he consumes 6 units of mangoes, his marginal utility is negative 3. So in this particular example, we can see positive, negative and 0 marginal utility. What is average utility? Average utility is that utility in which the total utility of the consumption of goods is divided by number of total units. We can say the quotient is known as average utility. So these are the different types of utility, that is total utility, marginal utility and average utility. For the viewers, I would like to share a quote. The more that you need, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel for further valuable notification, and see you in the next video.